Good. Jadi one guy, kendang, jangan main smart. Ini berapa jam jangan, good. Remember, check, what you, Torare, jaga juga. Bukti bilang berapa? Pari, John. Pari, John. Pari, berapa, John? Jad, kalau ni lepas air, jad, mai. Tijrong, pari, baik. Good. Ya, jalan. Cari kendang lewat, ha. John. Angki.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner by TKO from NJK MMA, John Ronald. And to give away the prizes, I would like to call upon Mr. Siljrang Marak, who is the supporting actor of Dhaka Escape. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Mr. Siljrang Marak. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, please show some support to Mr. Marak. So I will request you, sir, to please give away, hand over the memento and the trophy to the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for John Ronald. I would also like to request you, sir, to hand over the certificate to the runner-up. That is Mr. Ruben. Ladies and gentlemen, Ruben. Mr. Ruben, can I have a word with you? Yeah. So you showed a lot of heart, you showed a lot of dedication, you showed a lot of enthusiasm throughout the fight. Initially, it seems that his kicks did not bother you, but eventually it was really his kick that took you out. So what really happened? Did you underestimate your opponent just a little bit?
No, it's not all about that.
He's a good fighter. No.
Maybe this time will be all a little before that.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot take away anything from Mr. Ruben. Please put your hands together for Mr. Ruben. And now, for the winner, Mr. John Ronald. You seem to be a very nice guy. Your face resembles Mr. Kores Marwanya. When I am looking at you, it seems as if I am talking to Mr. Kores. He's also very soft-spoken like you, but then inside the ring, both of you, you are like two beasts. It's like two beasts from Hercules. So you are like a Hercules yourself, my friend. So what do you have to say about your fight? Are you happy with your fight?
Yes,
So where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? Hadirin san senang. Hey PE lah dia. He is just like Sakura's. Please put your hands together for this guy, Mr. John Ronald. Thank you. From NJKMA.